Let's train! Exercise 1. Match the sentences with the right verbs. Put the video on pause and do the exercise yourselves. Then let's do it together. Are you ready? Let's go! Yesterday, Ina had an exam. My friend gave me this toy. Very good. We went to Canada last summer. Now let's move on to exercise 2. Give short answers to the following questions. Don't forget to put the video on pause, do the exercises yourselves, and then let's do them together. Are you ready? Let's go! Did you watch TV? Yes, I did. Was the math test easy? No, it wasn't. Did the teachers come? Yes, they did. Excellent! So we have come to the end of this lesson. If you understood it, click here to move on to the next one. If you didn't understand anything, restart the video again. See you guys next!